Hello everyone, this is Haralambos Pissouros, Senior Technical Analyst here at IronFX Global, bringing you the technical updates for June 25th. Today I would like to talk about Euro-Dollar, which continued to trade higher on Wednesday after finding support slightly below 1.1145 on Tuesday. I would also like to talk about DAX futures, which tumbled after hitting resistance at 11,645. So let's see the Euro-Dollar currency pair first. Euro-Dollar traded somewhat higher on Wednesday after it hit support around 1.1145 on Tuesday. Today, during the European morning, the rate could be headed towards the resistance hurdle of 1.1240, where an upside break could extend the rebound towards the 1.13 area. Our momentum studies corroborate the view that the rebound is likely to continue. The RSI rebounded from its 30 line and moved higher, while the MACD has bottomed and could move above its trigger line soon. However, although we may experience further advances for a while, the rate is trading below the short-term uptrend line taken from the low of the 27th of May. And also the possibility for a lower high below that line still exists. Therefore, I would consider the short-term bias to be somewhat negative, and I would treat the recovery from near 1.1145 as a corrective move for now. In the bigger picture, I will maintain my neutral stance. I believe that a move above the psychological zone of 1.15 is the move that could carry larger bullish implications, while a break below 1.08 is needed to confirm a forthcoming lower low on the daily chart and perhaps turn the overall bias back to the downside. Now let's continue our assessment with DAX futures. DAX futures traded lower on Wednesday after finding resistance at 11,645, slightly above the upper bound of the downside channel that had been containing the price action since the last days of March. Having that in mind, and that the index is still trading below the longer term uptrend line taken from back at the low of the 16th of October, I would expect the forthcoming wave to be negative. This is also supported by our short-term oscillators. The RSI tumbled after hitting resistance at its 70 line, while the MACD has topped and could fall below its signal line anytime soon. If the bears manage to drive the battle below the 11,365 support line, I would expect them to initially target the 11,250 area. Another breakthrough that support could have larger bearish implications and perhaps target the 11,000 zone. In the bigger picture, although the index remains below the uptrend line taken from the low of the 16th of October and is now trading back within the downside channel, I would hold my flat stance. Only a clear close below the 10,800 zone, which currently coincides with a 200-day moving average, could make me confident on the medium-term downside path. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Haralambos Pissouros, Senior Technical Analyst at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.